All right, you should have a paper in your packet that says spotting bugs on it. Can you find that paper for me? Spotting bugs.
Can you put it on the screen so we know what
Yes.
it looks like?
Yes, I will pull it up. Yes, Nicholas, that looks like the right one. Yes, Landon. This is the paper, spotting bugs. There she is. All right. Please make sure you have your name at the top. Maybe a couple more minutes to make sure you have your paper out and your name at the top. Yep, Angela, that one's it. Good job, Cadence. Good morning, Deleza. Please get this page out and put your name at the top. Cadence, do you have a question?
Why is all the bugs spotted but 2 are not?
I'll get to that in a second, okay? Good question, but we'll go through that together. Right. So it says spotting bugs. Count the spots on the bugs. Okay. Who knows a bug that has spots on it? What's a bug that has spots on it? Nicholas? Your hand shot right up.
Ladybug.
A ladybug. You're right. A ladybug has spots on it. All right. So it says count the spots on the bug. So let's start counting, okay? We'll do this one together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So this bug has 13.
Miss Cheetah,
Yes.
do you have paper?
What was that?
Do we need that paper?
Yes, make sure you have your paper out. All right, let's count the next one. It says this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I think I miscounted. I think Miss Cheatham miscounted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Can anybody find where Miss Cheatham goofed?
I didn't see anything where anybody goofed. But
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, hold on. Okay, so they both have 13. If they both have 13, which one has more?
both.
Both, right? They have the same amount. Landon, do you have a question?
The other, but you just didn't know they are both same.
Yep, they both are the same. I figured that out. Thank you, Landon. Yep, so they both have 13, which means they are equal. They are the same, so they equal each other. Okay, can you make sure you have that equal sign there?
Teacher, I don't have that paper.
Yes, you do. Please check your packet. It should be in your packet. Cruz, do you have a question?
What do we do? Because I just joined in.
So make sure you
Alrighty.
have this paper out, Cruz, okay?
I already do.
Okay, so I want you to write 13 in each bug, and then make sure you put this equal sign. Okay? All right, we're going to move on to the next one. Who wants to count this bug for me? Cadence, can you count that bug for me?
$15.
15? Is that what you said, Cadence? 15? Okay, so make sure you put the number 15 right there. Good job. All right.
Teacher,
Yes.
what if again it will happen again? 15 will be 15. This bug will be 15 too. What if that happens?
We will talk about that in 1 second, okay? Nicholas, can you count the other bug for me?
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Good job, Nicholas. Thank you. So this one also has 15. That means that these ones are equal. Okay, but it's asking us which one has more. So we're going to decide between the bugs with 13 and the bugs with 15. Which one has more, Landon? 13 or 15? Which one has more?
15.
Good job, Landon. So we're going to circle our bugs that have 15, and we're going to say that those ones have more. All right. Make sure you have your equal sign between these two bugs, but also circle the ones with 15. We're gonna go down now.
Teacher,
Yes,
can I use a color pencil?
yes, you may.
18 or 19?
Please make sure you're muted if I have not called on you. Thank you. All right. Deleza, can you count how many bugs are in this circle, please? Or how many dots this bug has?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Let's count that together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Good job, Deleza. So that bug has 16 dots on it. Cruz, can you tell me how many dots are in this bug?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
Good job, Cruz. All right, this one has 17 dots on it. And it's asking us which one has more. So Angela, which bug has more? The one with 16 or the one with 17? Which one is more?
17.
Good job, Angela. The bug with 17 has more. So we're going to circle that bug. All right, make sure you have that circled. All right, Eli, can you tell me how many bugs are how many dots are on this bug?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
All right. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's count that together, Eli. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Good job, Eli. There are 16 dots on this bug. All right. Paige, can you tell me how many dots are on this bug?
17.
Good job, Paige. That bug has 17. So, Paige, which one has less? Which bug has less, the 16 or the 17?
17.
Less. Which number is smaller?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Which one is smaller, 17 or 16? Which number is smaller?
So Paige, which one is smaller? Which one do you say first when you're counting? Do you say 16 first or 17 first?
17.
17 comes after 16, so which one is less? Which one is smaller? Good job, Paige. 16. Make sure you guys have circled the number 16 bug. Thank you, Paige. Make sure you've circled that one. We're going to go on to the next one. And this one also says which has less. So remember, we're looking for the number that is smaller when we're counting this one, okay? See. Cruz, can you tell me how many dots are on this bug right here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
Oh, missing one, Cruz. What's the number that comes after 17?
18.
There you go. Good job, Cruz. This one has 18. Okay. Landon, can you tell me how many dots are on this bug?
17.
Good job, Landon. That bug has 17. Right, Angela, which one has less? Which one has the smaller number? 18 or 17? Which one is smaller? Or has fewer? 17. Good job, Angela. 17. Make sure you circle your bug with 17. Okay. And on this one it says make your own. Okay, so you get to put the dots on the bug. Whoops. You get to put your own dots on the bug and then circle the one that has more or less. Just make sure you write either more, whoops, more or less down here, okay? But you guys get to make your own. I'll give you a couple of minutes to do that.
Same page.
Teacher?
So I will read it to you, and what I'm going to do.
Alright, let's see
Teacher,
here.
I'm all done.
Okay, thank you, Cadence. Oops. Hey!
I can't
No.
hear you. You muted.
I know. Thank you, Cadence.
I put I'm on the 21.
Awesome. Thank you.
14.
Cruz, do you have a question? Thank you for using the raise your hand button.
So we know this much so
I'm
far.
done,
9
and
plus
I did 211.
equals 17.
Awesome. Good job, Cruz.
Solve this.
Buddy, I'm trying to put your hand down. Stop putting it back up.
Solve this.
Thank you.
And see.
All right. It sounds like we are all done with math. Oh. It sounds like we all finished with our math page, which is so awesome. But now we need to have a talk really quick because we have a test tomorrow. Don't look at me like you didn't know. We talked about this last week. I told you on Thursday you guys had a test. We have a test tomorrow, okay? And we're going to be doing that over Zoom. Fiona. We're going to be doing that over Zoom. Oh, it's my turn. You should be on mute. Thank you. So we're going to be doing it over Zoom. And I hopefully know the rules of a test, right? But we're going to just go over those really quick. What are some rules we have when we're taking a test? Who knows? See, Landon.
No talking and
Good.
no unmuting.
Good job, Landon. Thank you. He's right. We have no talking. Oops. Right, because we can't be getting help during a test because the teachers want to see what our work is, right? So if I'm talking to my mom and I go, I don't know which one has more. I don't know if 2 or 3 has more. Which one do I put? That's not good because that's showing what your mom knows, not what you know, right? And Landon's right. We also don't want any unmuting. No unmuting. And that's just because we're all here on Zoom, right? And if we all unmute, it gets super, super loud. And then we might be telling other people the answers. And then we don't know what their answer would have been. So it's super important that we stay muted. Cruz, what do you think? What are some rules that we have?
There's a flip-flop on those blocks.
Sorry, Cruz, I thought you were Jose for a second.
That's my follow now.
See, there's 9 and there on the bottom. There's
What are some rules we have, Cruz? What are some rules we have during a test?
Could flip flop
If you have a question too, you have to raise your hand button.
Good job.
Good job,
And then-
Cruz.
All right,
And
first grade,
then
I'm gonna go to the
you
last
had
page.
to-
We have one more to do.
If someone else has the question,
Lesson
then
check.
can ask
So this is going to be
question
talking.
then.
Right. So you need to use the raise your hand button to ask a question. And that just goes along with the no unmuting. We can't have you unmuting to give a question or a comment just because it gets loud. And then again, you might be giving the answer to somebody else. Right? So we want to make sure we're using our raise your hand button. Nicholas.
no help.
No help. Good job. No help. Again, we want to see your work, not your brothers, your sisters, your dogs, your mom or dad's. I want to see what you know because we're teachers. We want to know what you know. So we know, should we stay longer? Should we keep going over this subject a little bit more? Do they understand more or less? If not, then okay, we'll stay on this subject and we'll keep learning it a little bit more and practicing it. If you do, awesome. That means we get to learn all of this new math. Okay? Landon.
No talking really loud.
No talking really loud. You're right. You should be keeping it as an inside voice, huh? Thank you, Landon.
Yeah, don't talk like that.
You're
Like
right.
that.
Right, because that's very distracting, huh? So we don't want to be talking super loud.
I can't hear you.
You can't hear me?
I didn't hear you.
To this
I hear you a lot.
Ooh, first grade. We are blurting out a lot today. If we keep blurting out, I have a fun surprise for us tomorrow after the test. But if we keep blurting out, we're not going to be able to do that. Okay? Let's make sure we're using the raise your hand button. Or if you have your video on, it's okay if you raise your hand in the video and I can see it. Okay? Alright, another super important one. I want you to make sure you have your camera on. And that's just so that I can see you doing your work and I know that you're not cheating. I want to make sure that we're doing our own work, right? Cadence, do you have one? Cadence, can you hear me, honey? Cadence. Can you hear me? Looks like we're having some internet difficulty. We'll come back to you, Cadence, okay? Can
I
you hear
can
me?
hear you now.
Okay, awesome. Do you have one for me, Cadence?
What?
Do you have a rule for me, Cadence? You raised your hand.
Oh yeah. Listen to the teacher and never never not listen to the teacher. Always listen to the teacher.
Right. Good job, Cadence. Yep, we want to make sure that we're listening because I'm going to be reading you guys all of the questions. Okay, so we're going to make sure we have our ears open tomorrow, right? So we can listen to all of the questions for the test so that I don't have to keep rereading them, right? Because that makes it go by a lot longer. All right, you guys are doing awesome. Obviously, you know all the rules. And that's awesome. Let's see if Miss Cheatham can get her computer to work. Is there any questions about the test tomorrow? No? Okay. Awesome. It's going to be over everything that you guys have been working on the last couple of days, okay? Does anybody want to do some more practice questions? Do you think you need more help with it? Landon? No? No, you think you're good? Awesome. I'm glad you guys are ready. All right, so it's going to be over things like making sure you know your number line. So make sure that you know how to count all the way to 20 and you know what those numbers look like, okay? Make sure you know which one has more or less. Cadence?
I can count to 23.
That is so awesome, Cadence. That is
I can
amazing.
count to 1,000.
Wow, that's a lot, Eli. All right.
I can count to 100.
You can count to 100, Nicholas. That's awesome. You guys are so
I
smart in math. All right,
Ash
we're gonna.
doesn't even know anything about math.
He
He
doesn't?
would just put his paw on every single one,
Oh.
then make it a pole. That's all he would do. My dog knows math.
Your dog knows math. That's pretty awesome.
How to rip it in half.
All right. We're going to practice this one right here where we see if they have partners, okay? So I want you guys to shake your head yes if this one has a partner. Yep, I'm seeing some yes. What about this one? Seeing some yes. What about the next one? Yep. This one? Yep. This one? Yep. What about this one? Nope, nope, nope. Everyone started shaking their head no. So which one has more, the black or the purple, Cruz? Which one has more, black or purple?
Black.
Good job. Black has more because they are the ones that don't have a partner, huh? Good job. And if I do this, if I say oops.
Hey, Miss Cheatham.
Yes.
We have a German Shepherd dog.
Wow, that's awesome. Who can tell me what number goes here? Who can unmute the fastest? Tell me what number goes there.
21.
Good job. 1, 2, 3. What comes next?
4.
Good job. What comes next? 4, 5, 6.
7.
Good job. What comes next?
Small.
8.
Good job. 9, 10.
11. 11.
Good job. 12.
13. 14.
Wow, you guys are fast. 14, 15,
16.
16, 17, 18,
19.
19, 20. Good job. 21 would come next. Good job, Cruz. You guys are doing awesome.